Hello, my dear rail fans. Today I am in Goa, Madgaon Junction, and today I'll be traveling from Madgaon till Panvel in Maharashtra, almost Mumbai, the suburbs of Mumbai, in train number 22230. So it is again a special journey along the Konkan Railways in this premium train Vande Bharat Express train number 22230. This train was inaugurated or flagged off by our PM Narendra Modi ji on 27th of June 2023, and this train made its first commercial run on 28th June 2023. This train travels between Madgaon to Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus thrice a week in both the directions. From Madgaon to Mumbai, it travels on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. However, on the other side, it travels on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So today it is a Saturday, and the train is traveling from Madgaon to CSMT, and I will be traveling from Madgaon to Panvel in this beautiful premium train. So let's see how the journey will be. Before that, from Madgaon till Mumbai, okay, CSMT. What are the stops? So it is Tivim, Kankavali, then comes Ratnagiri, and Khed, Panvel, Thane, Dadar, and CSMT. So totally there are 7 stops from Madgaon till Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, and this train travels for almost 590 kilometers from Madgaon till Mumbai and takes around 10 hours and 5 minutes to cover the distance. So at an average speed of almost 58.5 kilometer per hour. So today it's almost around 11:45 now, and I'll be boarding the train. The train starts from Madgaon at 12:20 and reaches Panvel at 9 o'clock. It is 8 hours and 40 minutes of beautiful journey that we will be experiencing today. Be ready for the virtual journey. So before starting off with the journey, let's take a small station tour of Madgaon Junction railway station. So this is how the station looks like. So it's a very beautiful railway station, very spacious I can say. So you can see built in the Konkan style, and too much of parking space. So there is absolutely no chance of worrying about the parking here. So it's a very beautiful railway station I can say. So soon after you enter, to the left there is one Konkan Railway police station and parcel office here. Then you can see the building starts. So this is the reservation office. So you can see here. And then comes the entry into the railway station. So we are currently at the entry point. Welcome board can be seen. So let's enter into the Madgaon railway station, and this is the platform one side that I am actually entering into, the main entrance. So to the left you can see the unreserved ticket counters. To the right there are a couple of prepaid taxi counters, and there is executive lounge as well here, maintained by IRCTC. So since we are in Madgaon, let's know something about Madgaon railway station. So Madgaon railway station comes under the Konkan Railway of Southwestern Railways of Karwar division. So it falls under the Karwar division of Karnataka. So this is one of the major railway station in Goa, and from here couple of important trains like Trivandrum Rajdhani, then Madgaon Rajdhani, Duronto Express like Ernakulam LTT Duronto, Ernakulam Nizamuddin Duronto, and couple of Vande Bharat like Madgaon Bangalore Vande Bharat, Madgaon CSMT Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus Vande Bharat, Tejas Express. So all of them make their run from Madgaon Junction. So it is connecting many of the major trains to many major cities. So this is all about Madgaon Junction railway station. So let's begin the journey. Our train is already here on platform number 3 and it is all ready and set for departure at 12:20 p.m. So let's take a coach tour of chair car of this beautiful Vande Bharat Express. Come on, let's get into the coach. So at the entry door you can see the CCTV camera, and this is the door. It is a push to open door. So soon after you get in, you can see this is a 3x2 seating pattern here in chair car, and there are sufficient the space, rack space given to place the bags. You can easily place trolley as well, and there is something called the touch to turn on study lamps. And apart from that, beneath the seat there are charging points given, and there is a footrest here down, so we can see. So this is again a 3-step footrest. So this is the footrest. Here you can place some light luggages, and there is a tray table here, and the pushback is given here. So overall, yeah, it looks pretty comfortable here. Let's go and see executive class. So the time is 12:20 now. The doors are shut and the train is ready to leave from Madgaon and head towards Tivim. Doors are closing. So you can see the doors are already closed. दरवाजे बंद हो रहे हैं. So it's sharp 12:20 and the train has started. So the coach tour of executive class was pending. Let's take a coach tour of executive class now. So there is a CCTV camera at the door. So once the entry door is done, you can see that there is a fire extinguisher placed, and there is emergency top back unit. So these are the top back units given from the second generation of Vande Bharat trains. So this is second generation Vande Bharat train. So let's get into the coach. So at the entry door again there is one CC camera. So here soon after we get in, you can see that the seats are 2x2 combination. The sufficient luggage rack is given, so you can see in medium sized trolleys are all placed. Large size trolleys are also placed in the rack comfortably, and this feature, the rotation of seat, is available in executive class, and that's the reason why we pay more for executive class. So in executive class from Madgaon to Mumbai, it's almost 3,500, and you can see the tray table is placed in the middle. So nothing to worry. It's like you feel like there is no tray table at all. Charging point is given, and this is something which is very new that I saw. The cup holder, the bottle holder, which is not given in all Vande Bharat trains, and there is footrest also, and as usual the touch lamps. So this is the speciality of executive class.
belongings with you. कृपया तुमचे सर्व सामान सोबत घेण्यास विसरू नका. भारतीय रेल के साथ यात्रा करने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद.
जिंदगी में अब अफसोस ना.
Thank you for traveling with Indian Railways. भारतीय रेलवे सोबत प्रवास केल्याबद्दल सर्वांचे आभार. कृपया ट्रेन के पूरी तरह से रुकने के बाद ही सावधानी से उतरे।
भारतीय रेल्वे वांगडा प्रवास केल्या खाती तुमका सगळ्यांक देव बरे करूं।
भारतीय रेल के साथ यात्रा करने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद। On the left side.
पिछली बार मैंने एक
Please don't throw anything in the commode to avoid choking in toilets.
गाड़ी और नहीं चाहिए?
आमी,
रत्नागिरी Thank you for traveling with Indian Railways.
उधर डाल दो घंटी उसमें बाजू में।
तीस में सब्जी रखो कि अपने 29-30 में रखो कि उधर रखो? मैं दोनों 29-30 अपने 30 में रखा, दोनों चीज़ें साइड कर।
So we have crossed Ratnagiri at sharp 5 o'clock. There are a couple of unscheduled halts for other trains to pass. So that's okay, because these days the railways are getting complaint that other trains are being made wait for the sake of Vande Bharat. So it is proved wrong today. So Vande Bharat had to give side to almost 3 trains in continuously 3 stations, halting for around 17 to 20 minutes. In spite of that, the train reached Ratnagiri on time. So fair enough. I feel that the myth is being broken now. No, Vande Bharat is also being made wait for other trains. So apart from that, the journey was really good so far. I had not opted for food, so I couldn't do the food review. Anyway, I paid and I have taken the dinner. So dinner alone costed around 245 rupees. I'll give the review of the dinner. It was a beautiful journey amidst nature along the Konkan Railways. I have recorded everything and I'll be presenting it before you guys. And you can enjoy this virtual journey. The journey is continuing now. It's almost 5:30 and I need to travel for 3.5-4 hours. Meanwhile, let me see what all I can cover and put it in the vlog. why are we paying 3,500 rupees in executive class of Vande Bharat? The main reason is the rotatable seats and the broader windows, glass windows, so that the passengers can enjoy the view, especially during the scenic journey. Here from Madgaon to Mumbai, the entire journey is along the Konkan railways and filled with scenery. Thing is, only one pair of seats can be rotated at a time, and here there is a fight going on that both the passengers, both the seats have to be rotated, which is not happening. So the railways have to concentrate on that. If you are taking 3,500 from all the passengers, then ensure that all the seats are rotatable. So that is obviously, that is justice, right? Or make a timing that this seat has to be rotated from so and so time, the other seat from so and so time. At least that has to be done. Here there is unwanted fight going on between the passengers, and who is answerable for this? It is railways who is answerable for this. So something has to be done for this particular rotatable seat is what I feel. So you can see the practical difficulty for the passenger sitting back of the seat which is rotated. They can't even rest their legs. That is the practical difficulty. And also it's like we feel uncomfortable when the other seat is turned. So that way the railways have to look into it. So this is the longest running Vande Bharat by duration. So the distance is around 590 kilometers. The duration is almost 10 hours and 5 minutes. The reason being Konkan Railway and too much of cart. So the average speed is only maintained at 58 per hour. However, other Vande Bharat trains travel at an average speed of more than 70 kilometers per hour. So let's see the occupancy rate of this particular train. Let's see whether this train is a huge success or not. So from C8 till C1, I'll be just taking the through the coach, and we'll see what is the occupancy rate in this particular train.
insufficient cause, adequate fine may be imposed.
So, except for C5, which is totally empty, rest of the train is almost full. So, it's kind of 80 to 90% occupancy on a weekend. It's Saturday basically. So, that way, yeah, good. The demand is also good. And the thing is, maybe going forward, the railways may reduce the duration of this particular train, and that will help the passengers, because between Goa to Mumbai the flight fare is somewhere around 2,800 to 3,500, the starting base fare, and it goes up to 7 to 8,000 during the season. However, the cost in Vande Bharat is 3,500 in executive class and almost 1,800 in chair car. So that way, it's only the duration that is actually, kind of getting highlighted, because 10 hours and 5 minutes, 590 kilometers. But there are, facts that it's very difficult to go on with the doubling, especially along the Konkan railways, because of the Ghat section. So let's see what will be done in future to maybe reduce the duration of this particular train. It's almost 8:40 now, and 9 o'clock is the right time to reach Panvel, and my journey ends at Panvel. I am getting down at Panvel, traveling almost 520 kilometers from Madgaon. I boarded the train at 12:20. So let's see what time I will be reaching Panvel. Though the map is showing that the Panvel is very close, maybe we might reach in next 20 minutes. So now coming to the ending part of our virtual vlog, that is the review. So I didn't opt for food, as I already told you, but then I paid for dinner separately and took the dinner by paying around 245 rupees. So the dinner was good. The parathas, whatever they call, I call it chapati. For me, paratha means stuffed paratha, aloo paratha, paneer paratha, gobi paratha. So otherwise, the normal, the ones made of wheat, I call them as chapati, which was thick, and I expect that to be a little thinner. Though they give 3, that should be fine. Here they are given that thick chapati 2 in numbers, so which was not that satisfactory. Apart from that, everything else was good. There was a curry, one sides, that is aloo one starter, and one sweet, that is this rasgulla, and rice, dal, curd. Curd was little sour. That is one more thing. So overall, when it comes to food, I would like to rate dinner at 7 out of 10. When it comes to overall comfort, yes, the coach was really very clean. The seats were very comfortable. So I would like to rate the comfort at around 8.5 out of 10. The rest 1.5 is because, I'll continue, is because of the seat structure. They have to be made rotatable for everyone, is what even I feel. Because when everyone are paying 3,500 rupees in executive class, everybody are entitled to rotate the seat and take the view of the scenery. But here that is not the case. If one pair of seats are rotated, the other pair cannot rotate the seat. That is the main problem, and this is the most scenic journey, I can say. And in this case, at least, all the seats should be made rotatable. So that is the reason why I am cutting that 1.5 marks. And when it comes to the behavior of the staff, yes, hospitality is something which is very important, being a premium train. So the staff were very courteous. I would like to rate around 9 out of 10. And when it comes to cleanliness, 9 out of 10. When it comes to promptness, 10 out of 10. Everywhere the train was reached on time. There was no delay at all. Even if there is a delay, max to max, it is a meager delay of like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, which can be ignored. So that way, overall rating I can give around 8 out of 10. The main marks that is cut is for the dinner and the coach comfort, the rotatable seats. Otherwise, everything was fine. For 10 hours, yes, executive classes worth paying 3,500 rupees. So as usual, I'll be ending my vlog by showing the video of arrival of the destination station, that is Panvel, and with that I'll be concluding my journey. This was the most wonderful and scenic journey, I can say. A good experience, because even I am traveling for the first time in Vande Bharat for such a long duration. Otherwise it would have been very short distance Vande Bharat. So before this, I travelled in Ernakulam Bangalore Vande Bharat. Even that was around 9.5 hours of journey. However, this is exceeding that. So maybe that's the reason why they have made this train alternate days. One day it goes from Madgaon to Mumbai, the other day it comes from Mumbai to Madgaon. So if you all have liked this virtual journey, take some time to like the video, share it with your friends, and one last thing, please subscribe to my channel. That is what motivates me to do more and more videos. Thank you. Bye bye everybody. Take care and good night.
कृपया ट्रेन की पूरी तरह से रुकने के बाद ही सावधानी से उतरें। तुमचे सर्व सामान सोबत घेण्यास विसरू नका।
भारतीय रेलवे बांद्रा प्रवास के
Doors open on left side.